Welcome back to another episode of Painting Cars with Andre, painter here at LNC Collision and Customization Center. Today's video, we got an exciting 2013 Ferrari 458. Check it out. Beautiful Rosso Corsa finish, or it was beautiful at one point, but here we are. This is what we're working with. Obviously, the car had some extensive repairs all around. Interior is completely taken apart. 458 Italia, beautiful seats. But what we're doing is we're gonna throw some paint on this car. We got a white bumper from a donor, and then we're gonna refinish the fenders, the hood, and going around the back, we are gonna repair and refinish the rear bumper, top section, and then the right side quarter panel. Quite a bit of panels, nothing too crazy. It's a solid red color. Rosso Corsa paint code is 322. We've done quite a few of these cars, and this is gonna be another one in the bucket. Check that engine out. This thing is beautiful. Love the glass. Let's pop the trunk so I can mask the quarter panel in here. Needs a little love and detail, but once we get it painted and assembled, it will have a thorough cleaning and detail. I already started masking on this side. I'm going to continue masking the car, masking all the jams from overspray. Put this blanket on the dashboard just to protect it from any overspray that decides to get through my plastic. And on the Ferraris, this part stays, it's like a matte grayish finish. So we're going to mask this up, paint the bumper, paint the fenders and the quarter, and yeah, it should look good. Let's do it. Here we are at the next step. We finally got the car masked up and ready to be painted. Here's what we're looking like. Everything is masked away. All the jams are taped up. Car is fully wrapped in plastic, and only the panels that we need to paint are exposed. Bumper is masked up, the inner gray part. So first things first, what I'm gonna do is I got my light gray sealer. It's a little lighter than this gray. We need it for the proper undercoat, for the proper color match. Red is kind of transparent color, so it's going to be a lot easier to fill these sharp lines and all the burn throughs. So everything's going to be nice and uniform, and our base coat is going to lay down a lot nicer and cover more quickly than if we were just to try and paint this. Most guys just start painting right over this, and it's not the best or proper procedure to do so. Best is to do the sealer, let the sealer do its job, provide the proper chemical adhesion, so then down the line you don't have any peeling. It's better for rock chips. It's more protection on the panels and the bumper. And I do have it mixed up, ready to go. So I'm gonna give the car one final wipe down. Before I get the car in the spray booth, I always wipe it down, and then once everything is masked up, I give it another wipe down with the wax and grease remover. PPG One Choice SXA 330. This stuff works very, very good. Gets rid of all the grease and fingerprints and dirt. And then I just use the microfiber. doesn't leave any residue like paper towels do. So let's do it. Here we are with our sealer applied, and it's been well over 30 minutes. We can finally apply our base coat. I got it mixed up in my spray gun. Here's the front bumper. So now everything looks super clean and uniform. And we're gonna have a great time with base coat. 2 coats is all we need. This is a solid red color. Make sure we get our coverage everywhere. 2 coats of base, and then we'll be ready for clear after it's all dry. Alright, here we are back in the spray booth with our base coat applied and fully cured and ready for clear. We stayed away from the rear quarter panel, blended within the front door, got our coverage on the front bumper, and looking beautiful. I just went ahead and sprayed the entire fender and the entire quarter panel just because I don't have a downdraft booth. It's going this way, so all the air travels, comes in here and goes that way. So all the overspray from the sealer went this way, so I had gray freckles all over here, and if I didn't put base coat all the way to the door, then it would be a nasty paint job and a redo. Base coated the whole entire panel. Fender had primer all the way up to here, so I had to paint it all obviously painted the entire bumper. And on this side, I was able to do the sealer only on this side because, like I said, air is traveling this way and nothing was going back towards the quarter panel. So we have our original color, which, you know, will match up with the rest of the car, but the color in general was very good match, and I'm not gonna worry about that door because I know it's gonna be beautiful. The only thing we will need to do is obviously polish it, just bring back the shine and the original depth and gloss. We have to color sand and polish all the adjacent panels. And we are ready for clear coat. So what I'm gonna use is my PPG EC520 clear coat. Got it mixed up in the cup here. Just gonna twirl it around and we'll be ready to rock. Here's what we're using. It's a good combination. It's a good clear coat, high production, dries fairly quick. If it was a complete car, I would probably use a EC530 or a 550, which is a little slower. But since we have like kind of panels here and there, this clear works perfect for that. Alright my friends, the Ferrari 458 is finally painted, clear coated, and it's looking shiny like a diamond. Let's take a quick look, show you guys what we did. Nice, crisp, beautiful paint job. Did a nice clean blend, got no paint on the edge. Clear looks beautiful, glossy, super clean. Check it out. Here's our bumper. Bam. And lastly, our quarter panel. Job turned out super clean. Very happy with it. No major imperfections, just how we like it. right, here's our Ferrari 458 hood. And then we got the rear spoiler section. Check it out. Coming up right along. Paint turned out beautiful. Nice glossy finish. And look at this hood. Color code 322 Rosso Corsa. Ferrari's famous red. Man, this thing is slick. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video about how I go about painting these exotic cars. To be honest, I paint these exotic cars just like any other car I would. Do the same steps, same procedures, and always get the same results. No matter if it's a Ferrari 458 or a 1999 Honda Civic, my results always come out flawless.